This is cable tray ladder roll forming line. The machine can produce two types of ladders. It can use black steel or galvanized steel. The auto polisher can save you from the metal cleaning process. First, the hydraulic punch will perforate the sheet. Then the rollers will profile it. After profiling, the ladder will be straightened. Then cut into the length you wanted. The conveyor will carry them out automatically. The size is pretty accurate. Perfect installation.